Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to copy address on Google Maps. I'm going to show you how to do this on mobile, then I'll show you how to do this on PC. On mobile, you want to go ahead and open the Maps application. Once open, if you're looking for your current address location, simply just tap on the location button here, and this will take you to your exact location. Now you can zoom in into your location, tap on your current location, and the location pin will be dropped there. Here you'll be able to copy your location address. Simply just tap and hold down this, and you see copy address. You can also copy location address of places you might want to visit, such as a restaurant and many more. All you need to do is tap on the location pin on the address and then tap on the name of the place. Here you're going to see the address. Tap and hold down and the address will be copied to your clipboard. You can also search for any specific place you want on your Google Maps and then zoom into that area. Tap and the location pin will be dropped on that location. Here you'll be able to copy the address again. On PC, go to the location area, zoom in into the location, and find the location you want to get its address. Now click on any point on that location. You're going to see this pop up in this section. Here you'll be able to copy the address. Click on this and you'll be able to copy the location address. You can also click on the location pin on an address to take you to the Google Map profile of the address, and you'll be able to copy the address. So thank you for watching this video on how to copy address on Google Maps, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, do make sure to like, subscribe, and have the post notification turned on.